Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today we're just doing a quick video just to highlight the importance of testing components rather than just replacing them. So example, we got Volkswagen Caddy in. It's coming up with an exhaust temperature sensor. So it's been read. They've ordered a sensor, a garage has fitted a sensor, fault's still on, fault code still there. So what they've done is they've booked it into us to have a look at and see what's going on. I've done a quick scan, coming up with exhaust temperature sensor. There's 4 sensors on these. So what I've done is just I've had a quick visual look. So I can see that they replaced a sensor here because the plug's new. Do some quick basic checks first. So what I've done is I've checked the resistance of the sensor. It's got resistance, so I know the new sensor's good. That reading will change different temperatures. Then what I've done is I've had a visual look with the mirror around the back just to check for any chafing, and then what I've found is the temperature sensor in the manifolds actually chafed through. You can see there. That was a bit hard to see on the car, but what I did, because the plug's in just there. So while it was on the car, I just connected the meter resistance. You can see there, open circuit, which is what I expected looking at that loom. So then what I've done is I've replaced the sensor. Resistance is good now. And it just goes to show, obviously, test everything before you replace it. I mean, the sensors, they're over £100 each. Just shows the importance, really. I mean, your scan tools will give you an indication of where the fault is, but it's down to you to test the sensors or test the components anyway. Well, we like to. Fans up and running. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel if you've not done so already, and we'll keep uploading some more videos for you all.